The 5 most dangerous active volcanoes you should know about. 1. Monitoring active volcanoes is crucial for community safety and disaster preparedness. 2. Kilauea in Hawaii shows frequent eruptions and poses risks like lava flows and ashfall. 3. Mount Merapi in Indonesia erupts regularly, threatening nearby villages with pyroclastic flows. 4. Mount St. Helens in the USA is known for explosive eruptions that can affect air travel. 5. Popocatépetl in Mexico is highly active, with ash clouds impacting local air quality and health. Stay informed and prepared for volcanic activity in your area.